Success is a multifaceted concept that varies from person to person, but its importance in life remains universal. As teenagers transition into adulthood, they encounter a critical period where their understanding of success begins to take shape. This transition is not merely about reaching certain milestones, but involves a deeper exploration of personal values, aspirations, and the impact of choices. During these formative years, individuals start to define what success means to them, whether it is academic achievements, career ambitions, or personal fulfillment. The teenage years serve as a foundation where experiences and lessons learned play a significant role in shaping future endeavors. Recognizing the importance of success during this transition can empower young individuals to navigate challenges and strive for their goals. By understanding the significance of this journey, teenagers can cultivate a mindset that embraces growth, resilience, and the pursuit of their dreams, laying the groundwork for a fulfilling adult life. Teenagers often encounter a variety of challenges that can significantly impact their development. One of the most prevalent issues is peer pressure, where the desire to fit in can lead to risky behaviors or choices that conflict with their values. This pressure can create a sense of confusion and anxiety, making it difficult for them to stay true to themselves. Additionally, identity exploration is a crucial aspect of adolescence. Teens are trying to understand who they are, which can lead to feelings of uncertainty and self-doubt. This journey can be complicated by societal expectations and the need for acceptance. Furthermore, academic stress is a significant concern, as the pressure to achieve high grades and prepare for future education can be overwhelming. Balancing schoolwork, extracurricular activities, and social life can lead to burnout. These challenges are essential to address as they play a vital role in shaping a teenager's path to adulthood and their overall well-being. Setting goals during the teenage years is crucial for personal development and future success. This period is characterized by exploration and self-discovery, making it an ideal time to establish both short-term and long-term aspirations. Short-term goals, such as improving grades or joining a club, provide immediate motivation and a sense of achievement. They help teenagers build confidence and develop skills that are essential for their future endeavors. Long-term goals, on the other hand, encourage teenagers to think about their future careers, education, and personal aspirations. By envisioning their desired outcomes, they can create a roadmap to success. Goal setting also fosters resilience as teenagers learn to navigate challenges and setbacks along the way. Furthermore, having clear goals helps teenagers prioritize their time and make informed decisions, ultimately guiding them toward fulfilling their potential. In essence, setting goals empowers teenagers to take charge of their lives and shape their futures. Self-discovery is a transformative journey that allows individuals to understand their true selves. It involves recognizing personal strengths and weaknesses, which are crucial in guiding one towards success. By identifying what they excel at, teenagers can leverage these strengths to pursue their passions and set meaningful goals. Conversely, acknowledging weaknesses provides an opportunity for growth and improvement. This self-awareness fosters resilience, enabling young adults to navigate challenges more effectively. When teenagers understand their unique traits, they can make informed decisions about their future, whether in academics, career paths, or personal relationships. This clarity not only boosts confidence but also enhances motivation as they align their efforts with their authentic selves. Ultimately, self-discovery empowers individuals to embrace their individuality, paving the way for a fulfilling and successful life. By investing time in understanding themselves, teenagers can create a strong foundation for their future achievements and personal happiness. Mentorship plays a crucial role in guiding teenagers as they navigate the complexities of adolescence. Parents, teachers, and role models provide invaluable support, offering wisdom and insights that can shape a young person's future. Parents often serve as the first mentors, instilling values, work ethics, and life lessons that influence decision-making. Teachers, on the other hand, can inspire students academically and personally, encouraging them to pursue their passions and develop their skills. Role models, whether they are public figures or community leaders, demonstrate what is possible through hard work and perseverance. These figures can ignite ambition and help teenagers visualize their potential. The encouragement and guidance from these mentors can help teenagers build confidence, overcome challenges, and set meaningful goals. In a world filled with distractions and uncertainties, having a support system of mentors can significantly impact a teenager's journey toward success, helping them make informed choices and stay focused on their aspirations. Developing a strong work ethic and effective time management skills during teenage years is crucial for long-term success. This is the time when habits are formed and a solid work ethic lays the foundation for future achievements. When teenagers learn to prioritize tasks and manage their time wisely, they become more productive and self-disciplined. These skills not only help in academic pursuits, but also prepare them for the demands of adulthood. Time management allows teenagers to balance school, extracurricular activities, and personal interests, reducing stress and enhancing performance. A strong work ethic fosters resilience, teaching them the value of perseverance and dedication. As they face challenges, these qualities become essential in navigating life's ups and downs. Ultimately, cultivating these skills during adolescence empowers teenagers to take control of their futures, setting them on a path toward achieving their goals and realizing their potential. The habits formed now will serve them well throughout their lives. In today's digital age, social media and technology play a pivotal role in shaping teenagers' views on success and self-worth. Platforms like Instagram and TikTok often present curated images of success, leading adolescents to compare themselves to unrealistic standards. This constant comparison can result in feelings of inadequacy and low self-esteem. Teenagers may equate their self-worth with the number of likes or followers they have, fostering a superficial understanding of achievement. Furthermore, the pressure to maintain an online persona can distract them from genuine personal growth and meaningful accomplishments. Technology also offers easy access to information, which can be both beneficial and overwhelming. While it can inspire teenagers to pursue their passions, it can also lead to information overload and anxiety. As a result, it is essential for parents and educators to guide teens in developing a healthy relationship with technology, encouraging them to focus on intrinsic values rather than external validation. The transition from high school to college or vocational training is a pivotal moment in a young adult's life. This shift represents not only a change in environment, but also a significant leap towards independence and self-discovery. Education plays a crucial role in achieving success, as it equips individuals with the knowledge and skills necessary for their chosen careers. College and vocational training offer unique opportunities to explore interests, develop expertise, and build a professional network. Moreover, this transition encourages students to take responsibility for their learning and personal growth. It is essential to recognize that education is not merely about obtaining a degree. It is about cultivating critical thinking, problem-solving abilities, and adaptability. These skills are invaluable in today's rapidly changing job market. By prioritizing education, young adults can set themselves on a path toward fulfilling careers and lifelong success, ultimately shaping their futures and contributing positively to society. As teenagers transition into adulthood, the importance of networking and building relationships cannot be overstated. Establishing connections with peers, mentors, and professionals opens doors to opportunities that can significantly impact one's career and personal growth. Networking allows young adults to share ideas, gain insights, and receive guidance from those who have walked similar paths. These relationships can provide support during challenging times, fostering a sense of community and belonging. Moreover, effective networking can lead to internships, job offers, and collaborations that may not be accessible otherwise. Engaging in social events, joining clubs, or participating in the community activities can enhance interpersonal skills and boost confidence. Building a diverse network also encourages exposure to different perspectives, enriching one's understanding of the world. In this digital age, leveraging platforms like LinkedIn can further expand professional connections. Overall, nurturing relationships during this critical transition lays a solid foundation for future success and fulfillment. Ultimately, the journey of overcoming failures becomes a testament to their commitment, perseverance, and unwavering belief in their dreams. Embracing failures as learning opportunities rather than obstacles fosters growth and innovation. Each failure teaches valuable lessons, shaping character and determination. When teenagers face challenges, their ability to adapt and persist becomes essential. This resilience not only builds confidence, but also equips them to handle future adversities with a positive mindset. Overcoming failures is an integral part of any success story. It is through these experiences that individuals often discover their true potential and strengths. The path to success is rarely linear. It is filled with ups and downs that test one's resolve. By cultivating resilience, young adults learn to embrace change and navigate life's uncertainties. Financial literacy is the understanding of how to manage money effectively, and it is a crucial skill for young adults seeking independence. As they transition into adulthood, many face financial responsibilities that can be overwhelming without proper knowledge. Understanding budgeting, saving, investing, and credit management empowers young adults to make informed decisions about their finances. This knowledge not only helps them avoid debt, but also enables them to plan for future goals such as education, homeownership, or retirement. Moreover, Financial literacy fosters confidence, allowing young adults to navigate the complexities of financial systems with ease. It encourages them to take control of their financial futures rather than relying on others. In a world where financial challenges are common, being financially literate can be the difference between thriving and merely surviving. Thus, prioritizing financial education is essential in the journey toward achieving true independence and success in life. In the pursuit of success, mental health and self-care play crucial roles in maintaining a balanced life. As young adults navigate their ambitions, they often encounter stress, anxiety, and pressure to perform. Prioritizing mental health is essential for sustaining motivation and resilience. Engaging in self-care practices such as mindfulness, exercise, and adequate rest can significantly enhance emotional well-being. When individuals take time to care for their mental health, they are better equipped to handle challenges and setbacks. This balance allows for clearer thinking and improved decision-making, which are vital when pursuing goals. Additionally, fostering supportive relationships and seeking professional help when needed can create a strong foundation for success. Ultimately, embracing self-care not only contributes to personal happiness, but also enhances productivity and creativity. By recognizing the importance of mental health, young adults can pursue their dreams while maintaining a fulfilling and balanced life. Ultimately, adaptability is not just about surviving in the workforce, it is about thriving and finding fulfillment in an ever-changing world. The professional landscape is constantly evolving, influenced by technological advancements, economic shifts, and changing societal norms. Embracing change allows individuals to pivot when faced with unexpected challenges or opportunities. For instance, those who remain flexible can quickly learn new skills or adjust their career paths, enhancing their employability. Moreover, adaptability fosters resilience. Young adults who accept change as a part of life are better equipped to handle setbacks, viewing them as learning experiences rather than failures. This mindset not only builds confidence but also encourages innovation. Networking and collaboration often require individuals to adapt to different work environments and team dynamics. By embracing change, young adults can cultivate relationships that may lead to future opportunities. Continuous learning and personal development are crucial for success beyond formal education. While traditional schooling provides foundational knowledge, the world constantly evolves, requiring individuals to adapt and grow. Engaging in lifelong learning allows one to acquire new skills, stay relevant in their field, and enhance problem-solving abilities. This ongoing process fosters curiosity and creativity, empowering individuals to explore diverse perspectives and ideas. Moreover, personal development encompasses self-awareness and emotional intelligence, essential for effective communication and relationship building. By investing in oneself through workshops, online courses, or reading, individuals can unlock their potential and pursue their passions more effectively. Networking with others who share similar interests can also lead to new opportunities and insights. Ultimately, embracing continuous learning and personal development not only enhances professional prospects but also enriches personal life, leading to a more fulfilling and successful journey. The commitment to grow beyond formal education is a vital ingredient in achieving long-term success. Engaging in community involvement and volunteer work can profoundly influence personal growth and success. When individuals participate in these activities, they develop essential skills such as teamwork, leadership, and communication. These experiences foster a sense of belonging and connection, which is crucial during the transition from adolescence to adulthood. Volunteering exposes individuals to diverse perspectives, enhancing empathy and cultural awareness. It also allows them to discover their passions and interests, guiding future career choices. Furthermore, community service can build a strong network of relationships, which is invaluable for personal and professional development. The act of giving back instills a sense of purpose and fulfillment, contributing to overall well-being. This intrinsic motivation often translates into greater resilience and determination in pursuing personal goals. Ultimately, community involvement not only enriches the lives of those served, but also empowers volunteers to achieve their aspirations and become well-rounded individuals. Setting boundaries and prioritizing personal values are crucial in decision-making, especially for young adults. Establishing clear boundaries helps individuals protect their time, energy, and emotional well-being. It allows them to say no to distractions and commitments that do not align with their goals or values. This clarity fosters a sense of control and empowerment, essential for navigating the complexities of adulthood. Moreover, prioritizing personal values serves as a guiding compass in decision-making. When faced with choices, individuals can reflect on their core beliefs and principles, ensuring that their decisions resonate with who they truly are. This alignment not only enhances self-esteem but also promotes authenticity in relationships and career paths. By consciously setting boundaries and honoring personal values, young adults can create a life that reflects their true selves, leading to greater satisfaction and success. Ultimately, these practices are foundational for making informed, fulfilling choices in an ever-changing world. Passion serves as a driving force that fuels our ambitions and shapes our paths. When individuals pursue their interests, they not only enhance their skills, but also cultivate a sense of purpose. Engaging in activities that ignite enthusiasm leads to a more fulfilling life, as it fosters creativity and innovation. For many, discovering these passions during their teenage years can set the foundation for a career that resonates with their true selves. Moreover, pursuing interests can create opportunities for networking and collaboration with like-minded individuals. This sense of community can provide support and encouragement, essential for navigating challenges. As young adults explore their passions, they often find that their work becomes more than just a job. It transforms into a calling. Ultimately, when passion and interests align with one's career, individuals experience greater satisfaction, motivation, and a sense of achievement, paving the way for a rewarding life journey. Many successful individuals have remarkable stories of transitioning from their teenage years into adulthood, showcasing resilience and determination. For instance, Oprah Winfrey faced a challenging childhood filled with adversity. However, she embraced her passion for media and storytelling, ultimately becoming a global icon. Similarly, J.K. Rowling, the author of the Harry Potter series, experienced numerous rejections before achieving monumental success. Her journey emphasizes the importance of perseverance and believing in oneself. Another inspiring figure is Elon Musk, who, as a teenager, displayed an early interest in technology and entrepreneurship. His relentless pursuit of innovation led him to create companies like Tesla and SpaceX. Each of these individuals faced obstacles but learned valuable lessons along the way, such as the importance of hard work, staying true to one's vision, and the power of resilience. Their journeys remind us that success is not merely a destination, but a continuous process of growth and learning. By reflecting on these key takeaways, individuals can navigate their unique journeys with confidence, ultimately leading to a fulfilling and successful life. First, setting clear goals is crucial. They provide direction and motivation. Understanding personal strengths and weaknesses through self-discovery helps individuals align their aspirations with their capabilities. Mentorship plays a pivotal role, as guidance from parents, teachers, and role models can significantly influence decision-making. Developing a strong work ethic and time management skills is essential for achieving long-term objectives. Resilience is equally important. Overcoming failures teaches perseverance and adaptability. Financial literacy equips young adults with the knowledge to manage their resources effectively, fostering independence. Mental health and self-care must not be overlooked as they contribute to overall well-being. Lastly, embracing continuous learning and community involvement enriches personal growth. The world is waiting for your unique contribution. Embrace it wholeheartedly. The road to achieving your dreams may be filled with obstacles, but it is also paved with opportunities for growth and self-discovery. Embrace the challenges, for they are the stepping stones to your success. Never let fear of failure deter you. Instead, view setbacks as valuable lessons that shape your resilience and determination. Your dreams are valid, and your aspirations are worth pursuing. Surround yourself with positivity, seek mentorship, and remain open to learning. Each small step you take today builds the foundation for your future achievements. Trust in your abilities and stay committed to your goals. Remember, success is not a destination but a journey.